Here's how to play LEGO Fortnite in split-screen mode. LEGO Fortnite offers an open world to explore, filled with a plethora of biomes and wrapped up several innovative features to discover. From constructing and upgrading your villages to taking on alarming beasts, there's a lot to explore. So let's swing into the action alone and invite several other friends by enabling multiplayer mode in LEGO Fortnite, supporting a sum of 8 players. After it received a significant upgrade, players are now allowed to play the games together on a similar console. Split screen in Fortnite has been available for a while now. It's currently supported by a few consoles, including PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox Series X and S, and Xbox One console. Players are allowed to enjoy LEGO Fortnite split screen along with their friends and family. And here's how to play it. Follow this step-by-step guide to enjoy the LEGO Fortnite split screen. Firstly, connect the account from which the second player likes to play. After the account's connected, the player is required to link it to their Epic account to access quests. Afterwards, the second player will be launched to the LEGO Fortnite's main lobby. Finally, players will be allowed to load into their desired world in the game and be capable of playing LEGO Fortnite in split-screen mode.